Hi, I'm Lauren from LSB Actions. In this quick mini tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add falling petals to your image using the LSB petal overlays that come in the Botanic packs, and then how you can tweak and change the colour further if needed. So I'm going to go ahead and add some floral overlays in to begin with. In the petals you already have peachy pink, which goes with a lot of the pink petals, and then the rest of the petals are, you either have long or you have the little blossoms, but these are all purple because it allows you to change colour, and it means you don't have to download 150 petal packs. It means you can just add them in and change the colours to suit. So let's go for something in, like, for example, what should we go for? How about we add some reds and we change the colour, some yellows, sorry, and we change the colour a little bit. So I'm going to add the yellow blossom branch sides in here, and another. I'm just dragging and dropping these. I'll warp this one a little bit just so we can come up to the edge better. And let's go for one more. This one I've just added in. I'm going to add a little bit of blur quickly so we can pop it more into our foreground. Right, now let's add some falling petals. So I'm going to do the petals long colour change, and you see these are going to come in purple toned. I mean, purple and yellow look actually really cool together. What I'm going to do, add a layer mask to the petals. A layer mask, if you use the actions to apply, will be done manually for you. I'm just dragging and dropping, so I need to do it myself. The little rectangle down here with the circle in will add your mask. You can grab a brush set to back and you can paint the petals off any way you don't want them to show on your image. So now let's do petal colour change. You click this to set up the layer, and you have a little box with some instructions in that come up if needed. If you don't see your hue and saturation box, you can click this little icon here. Don't click the whole layer because it's going to come up with these weird settings, style settings. Instead you need to click the thumbnail here. And you can just slide the hue along until you get the right colour. Really simple. We can change the saturation up, change the lightness, and there we go. I'm going to put muted on here as well. Muted is just a one click, and bring the opacity up, just to mute some of those highlights down. So now we've gone from purple petals to yellow, and it matches the scene. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to add some of these little petals here, just to kind of show you. And I've dropped them in the wrong place, so I'm just going to bring them up and re-clip that. If you ever accidentally unclip one of your masks and your image looks strange, you need to right click and choose Create a Clipping Mask, or you can hit the undo button several times. So let's just move these little blossomy petals around the place. And again, petal colour change. Get your hue and saturation properties box up and just find the right colour. You can bring the lightness down a little bit for these. And there we go. I'm going to add a mask with a black brush. Again, if you've applied using the actions, the mask will be done for you. So now we've added in some falling petals in any colour that we need. Before and after. Super simple, super easy, and really good fun. And again, if you accidentally do something or click something or tweak something, you can just hit undo on your edit menu, undo, or Control and Z as many times as you need to step backwards until you're at the point where it was okay, and then you can continue from there. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.